Hi everyone, my name is Bindu and welcome back to my channel. When creating a Power BI report, did you ever wonder if you have to use import option or if you have to use direct query? If yes, then in this video I am going to clear all your doubts. So without any delay, let's get into the video. Before you start creating any report, you must first understand what these options do. What does an import option do and what does a direct query option do? So the first option is import. What does an import option do? When you choose to use an import option in your Power BI report, you are creating the copy of the data source in the Power BI file. Okay, so the data that is in the data source, whether it is Excel or whether it is SQL Server, any data source, the data from there, you're taking a copy of that data and putting that data in the Power BI file. So that data, you have it in the PBIX file you create. Okay, so that's what the import option does. It is importing all the data into your Power BI. Whereas when you want to choose direct query option, you are creating a connection to the data source and then getting the data from there. You are calling the data from the data source and pulling it to Power BI report. So what does that mean? When you use import option, as you're creating a copy of the data in your Power BI file, when you publish that report which has import option, you don't have to go anywhere else to get the data, to pull the data. So when you want to see the visualizations, then the report is extremely fast, right? Because there's nowhere you have to go. All your data is right there in the report. That's the use of import option. When you publish the report to Power BI service and you have direct query option in it, because you have to go to the data source and get the data from there, it is going to take some time. So when you use direct query as an option in Power BI report, the visualizations are a little slow compared to the import option. The next point you need to consider when you are trying to choose between import and direct query is the size of the data. So what is about it? When you don't have a premium account and you're using and you want to use import option, then the maximum file you can import, the maximum data you can import into your Power BI is just 1 GB. Yes, that's right. You can only import 1 gig data into your Power BI file if you don't have premium account. But if you have premium account, it can only extend up to 10 gig data. You cannot exceed more than that, even if you have premium membership. If you are somewhere close to 10 gig and you want to include and you want to use import option, then you could try mix and match between import and aggregating the tables and combine those two and mix and match those and try to use import option. Even after doing all that mix and match, your import file is more than 10 gig, then you should come to peace with this import option. It's not a good choice for your report. When you use direct query as an option in Power BI, then every data set in that report should not exceed 1 million rows. Every data set has that limitation. And the next point is, if you use import option in your Power BI report, you have access to all functionalities of Power BI. Whereas direct query, it doesn't let you take the complete use of Power BI. You have limited access. As an example, you use import as an option, you can connect to all the data sources available in Power BI, whereas direct query, it limits you to only certain data sources. And there are certain other functionalities as well which are limited to direct query. The next point is, when you're trying to use import as an option in your query, then you can, in the same report, you can call any number of data sources. Say one data set can be Excel, one from SQL Server, one from Oracle. So you can mix and match all the data sources in just one report. Whereas if you use direct query, then if you choose one data source initially while creating the report, you should use the same data source all through the report. You cannot change the data source. You cannot do the mix and match thing there. So overall, these are the major differences between import and direct query options. I hope this is helpful. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.